Aloha guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun video for you. My husband and I are going to be doing the iced coffee challenge. So we went around the island and picked up some iced coffees, and they're melting as we speak. So we're going to blindfold each other, we're going to taste the coffees, and we're going to try and guess which restaurant they're from. So, and whoever gets the most right wins. So theoretically, since I am the ice cold brew coffee drinker in the family, I should win. But a lot of these I've never had before. So, and neither has my husband. So we'll see. We're gonna battle it out right now. So the coffees are, this one is from Coffee Bean, and they're all cold brew vanilla. This one is from Island Coffee. This one, of course, is from McDonald's. This is from Dunkin Donut. And this is from Starbucks. So I know they're different sizes. We're not going to get to hold them ourselves, so we won't be able to tell where they're from or how big they are, etc., etc. You get it. So anyways, my husband is going to go first. And so we're gonna blindfold him, or he's gonna blindfold himself, and we'll get started with the coffee. How many fingers am I holding up?
One, the middle one. I'm just kidding.
All right, so I am going to move around the coffees just so they're not in the order that they were. And then I'm going to give him the coffees one by one, and he'll tell me what they think they are. All right, so are you ready for the first one?
Just kidding. I'm just kidding. Yes, I am.
Okay, here's the first one. And then if you need another sip, you can tell me you need another sip.
Oh, damn, that's a lot. That's McDonald's.
Okay, so you think the first one is McDonald's?
Right.
Okay. I'll have to write it down because I won't remember. Okay, so ready for number two?
Yes. That's Island Coffee.
This is Island Coffee. All right, so Island. All right, here is number three.
Blah. That's Starbucks. Blah.
Okay, so number three is Starbucks. All right, number four.
Oh no, this is Starbucks.
Okay.
The other one was so that one's definitely Starbucks. The other one was Coffee Bean.
Okay, Coffee Bean.
And
All
then
right.
Starbucks.
Gotcha. And then last one.
That's Dunkin.
Dunkin Donut.
Yeah.
Okay.
Should I take my shirt off now? I mean, the handkerchief off.
Okay, I'm gonna leave them in this order because this is the order that you drank
Okay.
out of them from. So go ahead and take off your blindfold. So number one you said was McDonald's. Number two you said was Island Coffee.
Oops.
Number three, you originally said Starbucks, but then when you tasted the Starbucks, then you said that this one was Coffee Bean. So you got Starbucks right, and then Coffee Bean you said was Dunkin Donuts.
So 1 out of 5.
Yeah.
All right. Sounds good. Your turn.
Now I'm scared because
Okay.
I don't think I'm gonna get any right.
No, you're better at this than I am.
No, because oh my gosh. Okay, I should know that.
Yeah, you
Let me
should
make
know.
sure I can't see before you move them around. Oh yeah, I can't see. All I
Okay.
see is pink. Okay, go ahead and move them.
Even though you can't see where they're going.
I know.
All right.
I should do good, but I don't know.
All right, ready?
Okay. I think that's McDonald's.
Okay. Let's see, next.
Oh gosh, that is Coffee Bean. Cause, oh yeah, Coffee Bean doesn't make iced coffee very good.
Okay. Number 3.
Oh my gosh.
Exactly.
Oh, that is like super sweet. Oh, maybe that's Coffee Bean. Ah. Okay, can I?
Yeah, you can change it.
Okay, the one before Island Coffee and this one Coffee Bean. Ugh, those are like incredibly sweet.
Okay.
All right. Definitely Starbucks. That's the Bucks. I hope that I'm right, otherwise I'm gonna be super embarrassed.
Okay. Wait, hold on. Let me fix this one. Are you ready?
Yes.
I'm just
Oh,
kidding.
yum.
I'm just kidding.
Is Dunkin', is that the only one that's left?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that must be Dunkin'.
Okay, hold on. I put them in the order I gave them to you in. All right.
Ready?
Remove your blindfold.
Remove my shirt.
Yeah.
Whew.
Okay.
All right.
All right. So the first one was McDonald's, and you said McDonald's, so that was correct. Second one was Dunkin',
Oh.
and you said Island.
Oh, okay.
Third one was Coffee Bean, which you changed, and that was
Yes.
correct.
Yeah.
Fourth one was Starbucks, that was correct. And the
Yes.
fifth one, of course, was Island, and you said Dunkin', so you got 3 out of 5.
Nice.
They did better.
Yay.
Yeah.
So the Coffee Queen won.
Yes, you got 3 out of 5. And then these other ones, even though they were kind of made weird, you can see the density, the colors. You can see McDonald's is very milky, clear looking. Dunkin' looks more like a watery coffee. And then Coffee Bean is darker, more caramel looking. And Starbucks tastes horrible. And this looks very caramel-ish. This, what is that, Island?
Yeah, this is Island Coffee.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So did you like any of them at all? I know you don't drink cold brew.
Yeah, probably
You
the
like this?
Coffee Bean and the Island were, and even McDonald's was probably
Yeah.
third, but this has Dunkin' had way too much vanilla. It was like drinking a sugar water.
Yeah.
And
I
Starbucks tastes like you're chewing on a coffee bean. And even McDonald's is okay, but it's very sweet. So these two, Island and Coffee Bean, had the best mixture in my opinion. How about you?
Yeah. A lot of them are too sweet for me. I don't know.
Yeah, drink more, honey.
I think this is my least favorite.
Yeah, let me see.
Yeah, Island does not know how to make a good cold brew. Gross. But I usually get this here. It's a vanilla sweet cream cold brew at Starbucks, but they had a new girl training, so she didn't make it correctly, but normally this is my favorite. So yeah, we're just gonna get on a coffee high right now. So anyways, thank you guys for joining us for this coffee challenge. Give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Leave us some comments down in the comment section below. Let us know if you'd like us to do any other challenges. All right, guys, that's it for now. Until next time, aloha.